So come to the next session, session 4. So it's a very small session. The soil nailing technique. So in the previous session we are talking about the construction sequence of a soil nail, drilling, subsequent levels, excavation, installation of strip drains, initial shotcrete facing and final facing. So this picture that explain what are the steps involved in the soil nailing technique. So in the first one, the excavate the initial lift. So if we want the unsupported cut here, the platform, then height will be there 3 to 5 feet height. So we have to support this cut by facing with the soil nails. So this will be the first step where we have to excavate the initial lift. And in the second one, so we have to drill nail holes by drilling machine. So we have a big equipments here, so that equipments will be drilled through the soil mass, weakened soil mass. So in the third steps, so here, so provide a drain here. Already what we have to drill in the second step, install and grout nail including strip drain installation, tendons, grout. So this will be the tendon and inserted, there will be a grout here in the soil mass. This total is the soil mass, and the one strip drain will be provided. And in the fourth step, so here after grouting and tendons then drain, so we have to provide the strip drain here. So this will be the initial facing, and this the straight line that will be called as a strip drain here. At the facing we have to provide the strip drain. Place initial facing includes shotcrete, reinforcement, bearing plate, washer and hex nut installation. All the process will be considered in the step 4. So here, so there will be a shotcrete, reinforcement will be provided, and one plate will be there that's perpendicular to the soil mass, and washer and nut installation. So that all the process will be considered here. Some of the pictures will be was shown in the previous case. So we have a nuts, we have a washer and bearing plates will be there. And in the next process, the process will be continued for the cases 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, it will be visible here. There will be a bearing plate and washer will be there, and that will be connected to the tendons and grout, where we have a soil mass, soil nailing. So construction of subsequent levels 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends on the height of the structure. It will be a final grade. And in the final step, so this will be facing the head, the drain, everything will be there. That will be the place final facing. So that will be avoided the displacement or the failure of the facing surface. So in the design case, there will be a design approach is there. After a preliminary analysis of site, initial designs of the soil nail wall can be begin. The begins with a selection of limit states and design approaches. In the limit state, we have talked about the serviceability. The two common limit state used in soil nail wall design is strength limit and service limit states. Obviously, the strength and service limit will be considered. Thank you here.